Hello and welcome to Erin Lee's Beauty. I'm Erin and today we're going to be going over the products I've been using this past week and letting you know my thoughts and opinions on it. If you're into reviews or makeup subscriptions, go ahead and like and subscribe to this channel for easier access to more videos like this. I'm going to go ahead and start with my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. I've been using my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus and my Boxycharm Premium this past week. And I'm going to start with this Juice Beauty SPF Moisturizer. So I have mixed feelings about this, mostly good because it is a beneficial product with the SPF 30 in it. I did not like the smell of it at all. I think it was like a citrusy bug spray smell, so I wasn't really a big fan of that. But I did like that it didn't irritate my skin at all, and it went on just like sunscreen does. So, I mean, it has its pros and cons, but all around, I would think it's a good product, and I would recommend it, even though with the smell, just because it's an all-natural vegan product, and it does what it's supposed to, and it doesn't irritate my skin at all. And I feel like I'm a pretty good guinea pig for sensitive skin. I know everyone has different, like, allergic reactions and stuff, but I have pretty sensitive skin, so if I don't have a reaction to it, I would think it's a pretty safe bet that it's sensitive safe. Okay, and the next product was this Studio Mascara. Oops, Studio Mascara here, and I pretty much like this. The first couple of days I wasn't too sure about it because it did come out a lot more because the initial, when you first use the mascara, sometimes you get an extreme abundance of product out on your brush. But after that, and I've been using it, I know it sounds weird, I just like the way this bottle feels in my hand. It just feels expensive. I don't know if that makes sense. But we still having quite a bit of product come out in here, but it's not nearly as much as when I first started using it. I do say all around it's a good mascara. It says volume intense. So like I do feel like it gives you a lot more volume, but as far as lengthening goes, I don't really feel like it lengthened my lashes too much, but I think this is a pretty good mascara, so I'm happy with it. So thumbs up for Studio Mascara. And then I had a couple more items that I've been trying out for my bag. Was this Chella limited edition palette, and it's Divine Purpose, and I have been using this. I actually didn't really understand the blue in there, and I tried making looks with it, and I didn't think it looked the best, but I got compliments for it. Like, I got people say that, wow, your eyeshadow looks really beautiful on those days. So, I mean, I guess it does work. So I did like this eyeshadow. We barely had any kind of fallout on it, very little bit. They blended almost effortlessly. Like I said, I'm not really good with makeup yet. I'm a beginner. I don't claim to be a professional. I'm just a consumer giving you my opinions and telling you what I think about them and if I personally would recommend them. So moving on, last but surely not least, is what I've been using. It has been this makiage eyeliner. And actually I do like it more than I like other felt tip liners. I feel like it worked really well. A lot of the product came down. I didn't have to keep shaking it for product like I do on some other ones, even though you just buy them and you're like, it shouldn't already be like this. But I did enjoy this eyeliner. I did not use the lip mask because it wasn't sealed and the package was a little wonky, so it made me concerned that it was a used product or somebody else had tampered with it, so I did not try that at all. And then moving on to my Boxycharm Premium, I had this Dewy setting spray from Anastasia Beverly Hills. All this stuff will be from Anastasia because it is Anastasia Beverly Hills Takeover Box. I wasn't too sure about this, and I have another bottle of it in my closet, but then after I've been using it throughout the week, I'm almost like, do I really want to give away that extra bottle that I have? Because I really did enjoy it. It looks intimidating from the outside of the bottle, but I assure you that some of this is on the outside. This gold, it's not as sparkly as you think it would be when it goes on your skin. You get a light shimmer of sparkles on your face, but nothing too intense. So I did like this product. The hydrating oil from Anastasia yet again. I'm sorry, I'm gonna quit saying that. And I liked and didn't like it. I feel like I have a lot of this type of products but I do feel like it felt really good on my skin. You only need about 2 drops for your whole face, and it wasn't like overly hydrating like a lot of oils are. It was just the right amount. So that's good. Good product. This right here I feel like is a game changer for me. Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Definer. And the reason why, and I mentioned this in my unboxing and it turned out to be correct, the shape of this applicator is more like a hair shape than the traditional circular ones. So I feel like I did a lot better with my eyebrows with this, and the color matched me perfectly. So no complaints there. Actually really happy that I was able to try that. And then I had Vegas loose highlighter palette. I was hoping for the pink one, but this one pleasantly surprised me. I've been wearing it every day this week, and I really like the gold shimmer. It's not too overpowering. Just slightly dip your brush in the product and make sure to shake off all that extra before you use it. And it works really good. I wouldn't keep going over in the same spot because I did that the first day and I was like, whoa, that's way too much. Just a little bit of this product goes a long way. So yes, I did like that. And last but certainly not least, my favorite, Anastasia Norvina is my favorite. It's the Norvina collection. It's the purple palette that they had. I don't remember which number this is, but I've been using this past week. I didn't even get to dip into all the colors because there's just so many in here. But I love, 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 love this palette. I was like intimidated by it when I first got it because pro pigment colors, but they did blend effortlessly. And the fallout was zilch. If you remember to tap off your brush before you apply your product, you shouldn't have any kind of issues with fallout with this product. That's about everything that I have for the week. I was super happy with everything I got to try out this week, and I was almost sad when this week came to an end. But now we're going to be opening up more stuff, and we're going to be moving on to the next week. So that's everything that I have for you for today. And I want to give a special shout out. You know who you are. Thanks so much for watching.